Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to continue doing Algebra 2 Regent for January 2019. Now we're part 3. Question number 1. Solve system of equation algebraically for all of A, B, and C values. So first, I have to write them in a way that I have all the variables. So I have A plus 4B plus 6C equal to 23. And I have A plus 2B plus C equal to 2. Now I'm going to take first the first two equations. So when I'm going to subtract, so A minus A, they cancel out. 4B minus 2B is 2B. 6C minus C is 5C. 23 minus 2 is 21. And that's my first equation. My first equation. Okay. Now I'm going to do a second equation. So I'm going to use two other variables, two other equations. So I have A plus 2B plus C equal to 2. Now look for this equation. The A in that side, so I'm switching it, minus A. So plus 6B plus 2C equal to 14. Now I'm going to add the two equations because of the negative. So they cancel out. 2B plus 6B is 8B. C plus 2C is 3C. 2 plus 14 is 16. So 8B plus 3C equal to 16. So the first one was 2B plus 5C equal to 21. The second equation, 8B plus 3C equal to 16. Look here, 2 and 8. So I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 4 to have negative 8. So negative 8B minus 20C equal to negative 84. Now when I add, I cancel out the 8. So I have negative 17C equal to negative, it is 68. When I divide by negative 17, so C comes up by 4. Now I'm plugging 2B plus 5C equal to 21. C was 4. So 2B plus 20 equal to 21. So 2B equal to 1 divided by 2. So B is half. Now I'm plugging the first one. So A plus 4 times half plus 6 times 4 equal to 23. So A plus 2 plus 24 equal to 23. So A plus 26 equal to 23. So A equal to negative 3. So the answer, A equal to negative 3, B equal to half, C equal to 4. Question number 34. Given ax equal to x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 10, and he wanted to determine, to write it in the term of the quotient and the remainder. So the first step, I'm going to do the long division. So x to the power 4 or I can use a synthetic division. So here -2, because I do x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to -2, so I divide by -2. So I have x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power 2, x and the number. Now here's the coefficient is 1, 2 doesn't exist, so 0. After that 4, -10. The first goes down, -2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, -8, giving me -18. So that's 1, x to the power 3, and that's with only the number. So what I get, x cubed plus 4 minus 18 divided by my divisor x plus 2. Now, the second part asking, is it a factor or not? It's not a factor because it has a remainder -18. It has a remainder -18. Question number 35. A radio station claims to its advertiser the mean number of minutes commuters listen to the station is 30. The station conducts a survey of 500 of their listeners who commute. The sample statistics shown below. The average is 29.11, and with a standard deviation with Sx equal to 27.18. A simulation was running 1,000 times based upon the result of the survey. The result of the simulation appears below. So that's the simulation. So the mean is 29.11 and the standard deviation 0.934. Okay. Based on the simulation result, is the claim that the commuter listened to the station of average 30 minutes plausible? Explain your response. That contain and include the interval, including the interval that contains middle 95. So middle 95 means plus 2 standard deviation and minus 2 standard deviation. So I'm going back. Standard deviation times 2 is 1.868. Now, one time I'm going to add it to 29.101, giving me 969.30. Now, the second time I'm going to subtract. So 11, so 3, 9, 3, 10, 2, 8, 7, 2. So this is an interval that's containing 95%. Now, the Seri location in between this value, so it's within the 95%, so it's placeable. It's placeable. Question number 36. Solve the given equation algebraically for all x values. So the first step, I'm going to write 3 radical x equal to 2x minus 5. What I did, I added 2x for both sides. Now I'm going to square the whole equation. So that's 9x equal to 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 minus 9x. So I'm up with the equation is 4x squared minus 29x plus 25. So the equation is 4x squared minus 29x plus 25 equal to 0. I'm going to use the AC method. So 4 times 25 is 100, positive 100. So I'm looking for the sum, 29. So 101, no, that's 101. 52, that's 52. 25, 4, yes, it's giving me 29. So 4x squared minus 29x plus 25 equal to 0. I'm going to break it down to 4x and 25x. Now here I'm going to take the 4x like a common factor, so I have x minus 1. Here I'm going to get negative 25, so I have x minus 1. So I'm ending up by 4x minus 25 multiplying by x minus 1, and from that x is 25 over 4, and here x equal to 1. Now, are both of them correct? So I'm plugging. So the square root for 25 over 4 is 5 over 2 multiplying by 3 minus 2 multiplying by 25 over 4. So it's going to be 15 over 2 minus 25 over 2, giving me 10 over negative 10 over 2, giving me negative 5. So this one is correct. I'm checking now the 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 times 1 is 2, giving me 1. So the second one doesn't work. So it's only 25 over 4. And that's the end for that part. Hope you understood. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.